Hello everyone, if you want to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and your game is not opening, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that error easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Tom Clancy, click Properties, Install Files, click on Verify and tear your game files here. After you do that, now you're going to click Browse on here to open up Tom Clancy's games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually, and then you're going to open up the Easy Anti-Cheat folder here. You're going to right click on the Easy Anti-Cheat setup, click on Run as Administrator, and then you're going to click Repair Service on it. After you do that, you're going to go back. You're going to right click on the Tom Clancy exe file, click Properties, Compatibility, click Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, OK, and then close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face those not opening problems anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.